Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
New Delhi, the Institute of Chartered Accountants, ICAI, has opened the ICAI CA May 2023 application correction window today, March 4, 2023. Candidates who have successfully registered and submitted the application form for the May examinations can make changes, if any, to their forms. Candidates can correct any errors or make corrections to their ICAI CA application form through the official website, ICAI.org. For this, they would be required to log in using their credentials at the official portal. ICAI will close the application correction window on March 10, 2023, at 11:59 p.m. The last date to submit the CA Intermediate, Final and Foundational application forms was till March 3, 2023, with a late fee of 600 rupees. How to edit ICAI CA May 2023 exam application? Step 1. Visit the official website at ICAI.org. Step 2. On the home page, go to the Students section and click on Examinations. Step 3. Then click on Examinations, May, June 2023 and go to the Important Dates section. Step 4. Click on the link available for the application correction window. Step 5. A new page would open. Enter your login credentials. Step 6. Make the required changes to your application form and submit it. Step 7. Download the final page and take a printout of the same for further use. Direct link. Make changes to application form here. Once the CA exam May 2023 application correction window closes, the admit cards are likely to be released. ICAI CA Exam 2023 date. CA Foundation Exam 2023 will be conducted on June 24, 26, 28, and 30, 2023. The CA Intermediate Exam 2023, Group 1, will be conducted on May 3, 6, 8, and 10, 2023, and the Group 2 exam will be held on May 12, 14, 16, and 18, 2023. The CA Final Exam 2023 Group 1 will be held on May 2, 4, 7, and 9, 2023 while Group 2 exams will be held on May 11, 13, 15, and 17, 2023. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.